this video clip, we want to find the y-intercept of the graph of function. Look at the feature of the points on the y. What do we get? For example, here you have a point. Let's say here. Here will be 2. Then in 2 dimension, here will be 0, 2. How about the points here or points here? That will be 2, 0. Because x-axis here, the x-coordinate is 2, y-coordinate is 0. So y-axis, x-coordinate is 0, y can be any values. So this one will be called it may not be accurate right here, but if it's the graph of the function, then when x is 0, you shall have a y value, and that will be the intercept. So here is quite easy. You plug in value for 0, for x, then you let x be 0 everywhere. You shall have the y value. 0 minus 6 is negative 6. 3 times 0 is 0 minus 4. So you then have 3 halves. So when x is 0, you have y is 3 halves. So then you shall have a 0 for x, y is 3 halves. That's the y-intercept. Remember, each function for a function it only has one y-intercept. It cannot be more than 1. But for the x-intercept, it can be many. For example, here, if you plug in 4, the numerator will be 4 minus 4 here. Whatever you get here, the product will be 0. So 4, you plug in here, you have a f of x is 0. Then you get x-intercept. Okay? Because x-intercept x can be anything, y must be 0. Okay? And then you plug in value here, 2. 5 times 2 is 10 minus 10. So besides 4, you have a 2. There are 2 zeros right here. So x-intercept can be 2. But for a function, y-intercept, there is only one y-intercept. Okay? So here, that's easy. Plug in 0. 7 over 0 squared minus 3 times 0 minus 23. Then you have 7 over negative 23. So x, you plug in 0, you have a y, which is negative 7 over 23. And then you shall have a 0, negative 7 over 23 is the y-intercept. Similarly, for this one, you plug in 0 here. What do you get? You have a from 0, 5. You will have a 5 times 0 minus 10. You have a 0 minus 4. Downstairs, you have a 0 squared plus 8 times 0 minus 19. You then have a negative 10. And here is 5 times 0 is 0. Okay, minus 10, so you have a minus 10. 0 minus 4, that's negative 4. Downstairs. 0 squared is 0. 8 times 0 is 0, so you have a negative 19 here. Okay. So, 4 negatives. So, 3 negatives. You have what? Negative. And there is 40 over 19. So what is y-intercept? Y-intercept is 0, negative 40 over 19 is the y-intercept. Okay. So we have here is negative. Let me highlight it longer. So 0, comma, and here, and then negative 40 over 19 is the y-intercept. Here again is 0, negative 7 over 23. And the first y is 0, 3/2. Alright? Alright, I'll see you next time.